Want to become a Panamanian citizen? We have got the steps laid out for you from start to finish to make the journey smooth and straightforward. First, we will provide you with an easy guide on what you need to do and when to get your Panamanian citizenship. We will break down the process into a step-by-step journey outlining what the government requires from you on each stage. Next, we will discuss what you need in terms of important papers and information to apply for Panamanian citizenship. This will ensure that you are fully prepared for each part of the process. How to get Panama citizenship? It is important to note that while there are myths about how easy it is to obtain citizenship in Panama, the reality is in 2024 is more complex. As immigration laws experts, we aim to provide you with an honest advice to help you save resources, effort, and time. Whether you are looking to make Panama your home, retire in the country, or simply visit occasionally, understanding the legal landscape is crucial for making informed decisions about citizenship or residency. Stay tuned for a comprehensive guide on becoming a Panamanian citizen. Acquiring Panamanian citizenship through naturalization involves a detailed procedure outlined by the Republic of Panama's political constitution and subsequent legal framework. It is crucial for the applicant to submit complete and accurate documentation to ensure a smooth process. Requirements for letter of naturalization application as per Article 10 of the Political Constitution of the Republic of Panama. Applicants must follow this step: power of attorney and application. Submit a power of attorney and application through a lawyer. Address to the Honorable President of the Republic of Panama. All other documents should be directed to the National Immigration Service. Power of attorney requirements: full name of the applicant, complete residential address, gender, age, marital status, place of birth, nationality, either by origin or acquired, permanent resident card number, passport number, contact telephone number, names, and nationalities of the applicant's parents as on immigration status, explicit and irrevocable renunciation of original or acquired nationality, a statement of the voluntary and free wish to adopt Panamanian nationality. Application requirement: full name, details, address, phone number, email, and copy of the lawyer's ID card and professional credentials, supported by relevant facts and evidence. Legal basis: specifying the relevant clause 1, 2, 3 of the Article 10 of the Constitution and Law Decree 3 of February 22, 2008. Additional documentation: certification of migration status with the applicant's permanent resident card number for naturalization purposes, valid for 90 days with a fee. Authenticated copy of permanent resident card, authenticated by the Electoral Tribunal. Sworn declaration stating the reasons for the application, including the explicit and irrevocable renunciation of previous nationalities and the desire of become a Panamanian citizen. This must be notarized. General medical certificate of good health, including the applicant's full name, resident card number, issue date, doctor's professional seal, and signature, valid for 90 days. Criminal record check with the applicant's full name and resident card number, specifically for immigration or naturalization use, valid for 30 days. Financial solvency: applicants must demonstrate financial solvency through one of the following: employment letter from the National Immigration Service with updated Social Security details, valid for 90 days. Previous year's tax return with payment receipt. If is a copy, it must be notarized. Bank reference letter showing sufficient average balance, valid for 90 days. Additional requirements: tax clearance certificate from the DGI with full name and resident card number, including confirmation number, name and signature. Complete passport copy showing the immigration registry seal, authenticated by the country's consulate or embassy and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Translations required from non-Spanish documents. Photographs: formal attire is required to both men and women. Naturalization interview: download and complete the naturalization interview form from the official website that you're going to find right here. That must be using blue link in print and legible handwriting. Special cases: if applying under Clause 2 or 3 of Article 10, additional documents like marriage and birth certificate are required. Dependents must provide an authorized responsibility letter, ID copy of the guarantor, financial solvency proof of the guarantor, and tax clearance from the guarantor. Applying for a letter of naturalization in Panama is a meticulous process that requires attention to detail and complete documentation. Applicants are encouraged to carefully prepare their application to facilitate a successful naturalization process. Qualifications for applying for naturalization citizenship in Panama. In order to apply for naturalization citizenship in Panama, individuals must meet specific qualifications. These qualifications typically include a residency requirements of 5 years, which can be reduced by 3 years for those who married to a Panamanian citizen or if you have a Panamanian children. Applicants should also demonstrate economic ties to Panama through activities like employment, business, ownership, or investments in the country. Additionally, applicants must be in good health, have a clean criminal record, and exhibit good moral character. They are required to have a basic understanding of the Spanish language, as well as knowledge of Panamanian history and geography. Economic solvency is also a key requirement to ensure that applicants can support themselves and their dependents without relying on the state assistance. To apply, individuals must complete an application form and provide necessary documents such as passport, birth certificate, proof of residence, health certificate, police clearance, and evidence of economic activity or employment. Depending on the category of naturalization, applicants may need to attend an interview and swear an oath of allegiance to Panama. It is important to note that these qualifications may vary slightly based on the specific category of naturalization being pursued. Therefore, it is recommended to seek guidance and legal experts or immigration authorities in Panama for up-to-date and detailed information. Steps and authorities involved on getting citizenship in Panama. National Immigration Service. The first step is to deal with the National Immigration Service. Here, applicants can apply for a residency under the Friendly Nations visa. This visa allows individuals from specific countries to establish residency in Panama. After a few years, this can lead to permanent residency status. Electoral Tribunal. Once permanent residency is achieved, applicants must register with the Electoral Tribunal. This authority is responsible for civil registration and issuing personal identification documents, such as Cédula, which is the national ID card. This card is essential for various activities in Panama, including opening bank accounts and accessing government services. Ministry of Government. After 5 years of holding permanent residency, applicants become eligible to apply for naturalization. This process is handled by the Ministry of Government. The ministry conducts through background checks and evaluates the applicant's integration into Panamanian society. This includes assessing language proficiency and knowledge of the country's history and culture. Office of the President. Finally, the Office of the President plays a crucial role in granting citizenship. After a recommendation from the Ministry of Government, the President of Panama has authority to approve citizenship application. This is the final step in the process. Application process. The naturalization process in Panama involves multiple stages, each requiring careful documentation and approval from various governmental bodies. This guide outlines the flow of the naturalization procedure, providing a clear path for applicants seeking Panamanian citizenship. You can access to our website www.ndm.com.pa, where you are going to find a lot more of information about all the visa processes, and you are going to be able to get in touch with an immigration specialist lawyer that will help you and guide you through the process. Process flow. 1. Initiation of the applications. The process begins with the submission of the application and all necessary documents to Naturalization section. Analysis and approval. The same day of receiving the application, the Naturalization section conducts an interview with the applicant. Once the interview is complete, an analyst review the complete file for processing and forwarded for the signature of the Ministry of Security and the President. Security clearance. The Naturalization section requests a favorable opinion from the security establishment to ensure the applicant meets the necessary security requirements. Ministry of Public Security. Language and civic knowledge examination. The applicant must take an exam on Spanish language, history, and civics at the Electoral Tribunal. After passing the exam, the file is forwarded to the Ministry of Public Security for further processing. Presidential review. At the Presidency, the file undergoes a thorough review for the President's signature before being returned to the National Immigration Service. Finalization in immigration. The National Immigration Service prepares notice for the Governor's Office, Electoral Tribunal, and Passport Directorate. Official procedure. At the Governor's Office, the applicant is sworn in, making an important milestone in the naturalization process. Electoral examination. At the Electoral Tribunal, the applicant's registration is completed, ensuring their inclusion in the electoral system. Finally, at the Passport Directorate, the passport process is finalized, granting the applicant the official documentation they need. The naturalization process in Panama is a detailed procedure requiring coordination between the applicant, the naturalization section, and various governmental authorities. Applicants must follow each step diligently, ensuring all the documentation is complete and accurate to facilitate a smooth and successful naturalization process. Reasons for lengthy process. Through vetting, each step involves comprehensive background check and verification processes to ensure that the applicants meet all legal requirements and are well integrated into Panamanian society. Legal procedures. The legal intricacies and documentary requirements add time to the application process. This includes gathering documents from both the applicant's home country and Panama, which must be properly authenticated and translated. Bureaucratic delays. As with many immigration processes worldwide, bureaucratic inefficiencies and workload can lead to delays in processing applications. The lengthy duration of obtaining Panamanian citizenship reflects the country's careful approach to integrating new citizens, ensuring they are well suited and committed to being part of Panamanian society. After you get the Panamanian permanent residency, if you are from Spain, you can get the naturalization process in 2 years. Alternative visa options in Panama. Panama offers various visa options, like the Friendly Nations visa, Panama Pensionado visa, Panama Italy visa, and Golden visa. These alternatives provide benefits over the citizenship process. The Friendly Nations visa, for instance, is available to citizens of specific countries, offering a smoother residency path. The Pensionado visa caters to retirees with consistent income, granting them discounts and tax exceptions. The Panama Italy visa is exclusive to Italian citizens, facilitating easier residency acquisition. Lastly, the Golden visa, targeting investors, offers a residency route with investment in the Panamanian economy, often leading to faster processing and additional economic benefits. Legal considerations of citizenship acquisition. Purchasing citizenship directly is not a legitimate option. It's often considered impossible and potentially illegal. No official can guarantee citizenship or a visa outside the established legal or bureaucratic process. The process to obtain Panamanian citizenship involves a series of legal steps, including residency requirements and thorough application process. Bypassing this system through financial transactions not only undermines the legal framework, but could also lead to severe legal repercussions, including the nullification of citizenship status and possible criminal charges. Benefits of Panamanian citizenship. One of the most significant perks of Panamanian citizenship is the freedom to travel. As a Panamanian passport holder, you'll enjoy visa-free and visa on arrival access to numerous countries worldwide. Whether you are planning a trip to Europe, Latin America, or Asia, Panama's strong diplomatic relationships ensures that you can explore these destinations without the hassle of visa requirements. But it's not just about travel. Panamanian citizens are also civil and political rights. You have the power to vote and even be eligible for public office. This means that as a citizen, you can actively participate in shaping the future of Panama. And let's not forget about the economic benefits. Panama is not only a prominent financial hub, but also a great place to engage in business activities. As a citizen, you'll have the opportunity to start your own business or access banking and financial services with ease. We understand that navigating the complexities of obtaining permanent residency or citizenship can be overwhelming. That's where NDM Law Firm comes in. We specialize in immigration laws and can guide you through the entire process, providing expert legal advice and assistance with all the necessary paperwork. Our goal is to make your journey to permanent residency and citizenship in Panama as smooth as possible, reflecting the country's friendly and inclusive approach. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of opportunities, consider becoming a citizen of Panama. Contract NDM Law Firm today and let us help you.